everyone, how are you to all? Welcome back to my channel Prabha Crafts. I will show you beautiful bell tutorial or lace tutorial. Very cute, very easy version. Absolute beginners, you must try it. Let's get started. To create a magic ring, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4 count as first triple crochet, remaining 10 triple crochet into the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. Total number of triple crochet is 11. Next pull the yarn very tight. Now close the magic ring. Chain 4, last chain, fourth chain connected to slip stitch. Round number 1 is completed. Next round number 2. Next chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 count as first triple crochet. Next chain 1. This procedure followed to 11 times. Next triple crochet point, connect to double crochet. Next chain 1. Remaining 9 times repeated. Double crochet, chain 1, next double crochet, chain 1, next double crochet, next finishing. This chain point is chain 4 is available. I am using third chain connected to slip stitch. Round number 2 is completed. Next round number 3. This is chain 1 space. This space I am using slip stitch. Next chain 2, 1, 2. Next chain 1 face connected to slip stitch. Next chain 2, 1, 2. Repeat all chain 1 space. Next final chain 2. First slip stitch point, same point connect to again slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. The extra yarn hide for sewing needle. Now cut the yarn. The bell portion is ready. Many number of bell is required. One segment is 2 bell is required. I am doing many numbers of bells. Next, making lace. To make it slip knot, chain 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Next turn, skip to third chain, connect to single crochet. Next chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, skip to third chain, connect to single crochet. Next repeat chain 6, skip to third chain, connect to single crochet. This procedure repeat 2 times. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third chain, connect to single crochet. Next repeat total 4 times. Next chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Next connect to bell. First one, the top portion, insert one portion. Next connect to another side. Next connect to single crochet. The one bell is connected. Next chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First chain connect to slip stitch. Next again chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next turn, connect to first chain to join slip stitch. Next the first bell connect to again slip stitch. Next connect to another bell. Next one bell, same procedure. Connect to single crochet. Next chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The one bell portion is completed. Doing many number of bells connected. Next repeat the same procedure. Turn, skip to third chain connect to single crochet. This repeat 3 more times. Total 4 times. Next again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, skip to 1, 2, third chain connect to single crochet. Next chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip to third chain connect to single crochet. In one more times, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip to third chain connect to single crochet. Next chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next bell connect to lace. Now connect to single crochet. Next chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn, first chain connect to slip stitch. Next again chain 10. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Turn, first chain connect to slip stitch. Next first bell single crochet point connect to slip stitch. Next connect to second bell, single crochet. Next chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip to third chain connect to single crochet. Next repeat same procedure. Next bells. Now finally this end point chain 6, skip to third chain connect to single crochet. Next 20 chain 1, 19, 20. Now cut the yarn. Now ready for bell lace tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do you like it? The beautiful bell tutorial. You are decorate with Christmas trees or door hanging. You must try it. Thank you for watching. Please support, subscribe the channel, like the video, share the channel. Thank you. Thanking our viewers and subscribers. See you. Bye next videos.